Hello pool players, Ron here. Got a great one for everyone today. I couldn't wait to put this one together. This is a continuation of my last video where I left out something super important, and that is how to step into the shot line like a pro. I got to thinking about it. I have a video that I recorded about a year and a half ago at one of our local tournaments just before our Michigan Open, and a Ukrainian pool pro by the name of Vitaliy Patsura was shooting, and I said, I've got to video this guy. I'm seeing some greatness here. Okay, and I want to cover this, so let's go ahead and take a look at Vitaliy and pay particular attention to his pre-shot routine. So without further ado, let's look into it. So we're going to pick up the action here with 6 balls left for Vitaliy. Now before I discuss the pre-shot routine, I want to give a shout out to pool pro Tony Robles' student, Glenn Juriette. And he is working to step into his shot line a little bit better. Tony's been working with him on that. So I just want to dedicate this to you, Glenn. It's something that we both have to do, myself and you. But look at what Vitaliy does here. How he gets his cue right down the line, and then he steps into the shot. He uses his vision center to look at the line going into the pocket. What I really like about his pre-shot routine as well, look how he walks around the table. He wants to make sure that he has the proper line to the next shot. So he's not just taking it for granted like a lot of us do. He's walking the table. Wasn't that a tricky shot? Going into that corner like that, he had to stun that ball with spin to get all the way back down table for this 7 into the side pocket. I love watching these pros. They take a different approach than a lot of us mortals do, right? Very good stuff. But look at the fundamentals, look at the pre-shot routine, always the same. That's what we've got to do. We'll be better for it, and our consistency will go up as a result. One more shot, he's going to get perfect on this 9. Yeah, I like the opponent. The opponent steps right in there and says, hey, you don't have to shoot that thing, you're done. Now that was some fantastic stuff, wasn't it, you guys? Did you notice his fundamentals are so good? But more importantly, what I picked up on was his pre-shot routine and how he steps down into the shot with his vision center, but he has his body already positioned, and when he goes down into the shot, he's there. He's going to make that shot. What I've really picked up on, though, was what I do wrong versus what he does right. So let me just show you real quick, and maybe it's something that you do as well, and maybe this can be of great help to you. In fact, leave a comment in the comment section to let me know if you do it the way I've been doing it or the way that Vitaliy does it. So what I've been doing is I've been standing with my feet apart, straight apart, side by side, looking at the shot line. And then I do this fancy dance where I step and twist my body, and then I make the shot. And I generally do make it, okay? But I'm trying to eke out as much consistency as I possibly can, okay? Let's go ahead and do like Vitaliy. Now Vitaliy holds his cue to his side. It's where his arm is going to be stroking in this direction, and he's got his cue already set. And then he's looking at the ghost ball position like this and feeling it. His feet are preset. They're not side by side like mine. They're preset for his stance. And then he just drops right down into the shot. And he makes the shot. Huge difference, you guys. Did you pick up on that? From me doing this side by side in this fancy dance to come in where I'm rotating my body, one more shot, it just makes logical sense. He stands behind the shot, you know, and you can have some degree, you can have it down here, you can have it higher up. I think John Disk, he's a creator, he has his high up. I think it's best if I can just line up at about a 45-degree angle with my cue. I'm looking right at the line right here. My feet are preset. I step down into the shot. And I make the shot. Please let me know, what is it that you do? Are you down the line or are you sideways? Good stuff, you guys. This is going to be helpful. Definitely do this. Let me know, give me some feedback. Let me know if it helped you in your game, if it upped your consistency. Till next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.